Coming up, we set off for our longest trip, just me, Chris and 4 kids on board. Leo goes for a swim, think that was a shock to the system, and we celebrate all a turning 4. Welcome aboard. If you're new here, we're Chris, Kelly, Olivia May and Orla J, a family of 4 chasing a dream, learning as we go. In August 23, we brought our new to us boat with no sailing experience. In June 24, we moved on board to save as much money as possible. Here we're documenting the highs and the lows as we learn to sail and prepare our floating home for a life of adventure, and we can't wait to share it all with you. Good morning, it's 5 AM and we are leaving Southampton, starting our 2-week holiday. Our first stop is Worbarrow Bay. This is the furthest so far that Chris and I have taken the boat alone. Until now we have only been as far as Newtown without friends on board. The water is calm and it's a beautiful morning. We are so excited for this trip. Out of 4 kids and we've got 1 child up. And what time is it? 10 to 9.
What are we doing, Olivia?
Do you like sailing? Yeah. Are you warm? Yeah. Yeah. We are now past the Needles and the sea state starts to build. Nothing too challenging, just enough to keep us on our toes.
No, you shouldn't be. Okay, that's fine. That's fine, just hold on. Cold.
It's not that bad, he says. It's just going, oh, it's cold. That's just there so that people know that it's swimming, Olivia, darling.
What?
That's just there so that people know that you're swimming.
You're supposed to be. Orla, how do you know that is a watch?
It's on the thing.
Orla, how do you know?
Hey! I want a key. A key just like me. See, no, it's mine. He said I could.
Yeah, well just wait please.
Oh, what's that?
Wow, we'll get to start soon, okay?
Hey, that's just like mine.
Turn it over, just wait please.
Can I have the Ola? Can I have the Ola?
Look, who is it though? Orla. Who is it?
Who is that from, Olivia?
Look at that. I didn't yet.
Oh right, thank you.
No? Yeah!
No, the what she's just Olivia's opened is from Nanny and Grandad.
What is it?
It's the top. Very good. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Orla.
Happy
Birthday to you.
Hey, a bit away.
Hey! Next time we leave Worbarrow Bay heading towards Torquay. We face the biggest seas we have ever experienced and our engine battery starts to alarm halfway across Lyme Bay. Thank you for watching. Join us on Patreon where you can get additional content available only to Patreons, early access to our videos and added to a WhatsApp group where you can chat to us and ask us anything. We're also on Coffee where you could send the girls an ice cream if you wanted to.